Hello everybody, this is E.V. Ramna. Today I will be covering section 94, that is prohibition of tracking. Tracking means uniting, or in other words, nailing. Nailing, in other words, nailing does not mean nailing like this. You nail it and fix it. No, it's not in that sense. Uniting. In other words, when you get substituted, or in previous section we had dealt with section 92, where we had talked about subrogation, substitution. When you get substituted, your right will be confined to that person's right you have redeemed. And so far as your original right is, which is still existing, will remain in the same place. This is tracking. Tracking. That is what tracking means. You will not be allowed to, your means of subrogation will not be united. Even though you are a mortgagee, even though you are a mortgagee or puny mortgagee or third in row or fourth in row, whichever line you are, even though you may have redeemed the person who is standing above you, even though you may have redeemed him from the this by clearing the mortgage money, you may not occupy the topmost position. That is what it says. So prohibition of tracking is prohibited. That is what it said. Tracking means united. You cannot get united just because you clear the upper person's, redeem the person's loan, mortgage loan. You will not take the upper position. It will be much clearer if I go to the next slide show. So this is what it is. You have a mortgager with the blue circle and three mortgages, B, C, and D. And B, C, and D have lent 2,000, 1,000, and 500. Now, in this case, so the first person is B, who is a main mortgagee, and other persons are puny mortgages. That is, C and D are subsequent mortgages, the puny mortgages. Now, D has cleared the mortgage money. He gets subrogated. D goes and clears B 2,000 rupees, which the mortgager had to pay B. Now D will take the place of B only. So far as 2,000 rupees is concerned, so far as 500 rupees is concerned, he still occupies the position of D only. So what happens is, when payment has to be done, D will get priority so far as 2,000 rupees is concerned. So B is discharged. B is no more liable to pay. B is no more liable to get any money from anybody. But so far as C is concerned, so far as C and D are concerned, they are standing in same line. D will be getting the mortgage money from B first, so far as 2,000 rupees is concerned. So D gets subrogated to the extent of 2,000 rupees. But so far as 500 rupees is concerned, he still remains third in row. And C stands in same position. That is why I have put D will be subrogated so far as 2,000 rupees is concerned. Again, C remains in same position, second position, and D1, that is again D1, that is D will occupy the same position of so for rupees 500. So this is what, even though D has paid the money of 2,000 rupees, he will not occupy the first position. So that is what it says. Prohibition of tacking. You will not be united. So nailing is not permissible. Even though you clear the mortgage money of the first person, you will not occupy the first chair, first position. So this is what is prohibited. I hope the concept is clear. The illustration which I have given is pretty clear. And if you have any doubt, you can always text me in the description box. Thank you.